In this video, we will see how to add a secondary y-axis. So here I have on x-axis values are given, and on y-axis I have to plot two curves, y1 and y2. How to do it is that you pick all the values, go to insert, and I will go select this one, and I put a scatter with a smooth lines. Here you can see that whatever the value I have for y2, these values are in fractions, so I hardly can see this. So what I have to do is that I will click the curve, right click, and I will click the format data series. Then I will select from here secondary axis. Once I click the secondary axis, you will see that the curve y2 is plotted with a different scale. So you can change the values according to what you have, and then you can change the scale. Let me change the scale. Now I will put 2.5. Then you will see that both the curves are not intersecting. And in the x-axis also you can change the limit. So in my case, I will change the limit to 1, and you can see now that both curves are represented properly. You can easily see the y1 and y2.